Up next in fourth place is the Philips Sonicare 6100. This is the company's flagship non-smart brush, and it's designed to appeal to anyone willing to invest money in their dental health. The first thing you're likely to notice about the 6100 is that it looks pretty sleek. That may not be your number one priority when choosing a toothbrush. However, it is still welcome that Philips has put a bit of effort into aesthetics. It's even available in 5 color options, so you won't have to fight your family over who gets the best looking toothbrush. All the info you're likely to need is communicated through a few simple LEDs. 3 bars on the metallic area indicate the current intensity. Below that, 3 white LED dots to let you know which of the brush modes is currently active. Finally, at the bottom of the brush, 2 colored LEDs allow you to see the battery life and whether the brush head needs replacing. Moreover, there are 3 available brushing modes: clean, white, and gum care, but Philips hopes you'll never need to switch between them manually. That's because each brush head is equipped with a microchip that's read by the handle. The handle will automatically turn on and switch to the appropriate brushing mode as you connect the brush head. This all works together to make one effective toothbrush. Lastly, the battery life is one of our favorite things about the 6100. We found it easily lasts for over 20 days on a single charge, making it ideal for traveling. Its pros are, it's available in multiple colors, it's straightforward to use, and it's got excellent battery life. However, its rubber handle can get slippery when wet. The Philips Sonicare 6100 is a very well-made device, perfect for daily use. Still haven't found an electric toothbrush that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos.